Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to do a video with that goes over a question that a lot of people might have if you're new to watches or you've always wondered um, about the watch. But basically, what I wanted to go over is anytime you see a watch with these these moving bezels. Sometimes people they don't know what their function is, or what to do with them. Um, there's a few different types of bezels. You've got the tachymeter, you've got the GMT bezels, and you've got the regular bezels. Currently, I only own watches with the regular dive bezels. So I don't have any with the GMT bezels or the tachymeter bezels, but I will be getting some of those in, and when I do, I'll go over how to operate those as well. But right now, I just wanted to go over a quick video, just straight and to the point, how to adjust a dive bezel on a dive watch, such as the Submariner or a watch similar to that. So basically, it's very, very, very simple. You've got your subdial, which turns only in one direction, and it only turns in one direction because they don't want you to go backwards and deduct time. And what I mean by deducting time is these watches were meant to, if you were diving, you don't want to run out of oxygen. You never want to run out of oxygen when you're diving. So basically, what you would do is before you dive, you take the top. Usually, this would be in the top position. You take that pointer, and you'd put it at the minute hand whenever you're getting ready to jump in the water. And basically what it would do is let you know when you jumped in the water. You can use this for anything. You can use this for, hey, how long have I been in this store shopping? Set it, say you want to be in the store less than 15 minutes. You just set it there. When you look at your, watch and it's, let's say here, you've been in there for 10 minutes. You've been in there for 15 minutes, and that's, 20 minutes. Now you know exactly when you walked in, when the hour mark was. So when you get back here, you'll be like, okay, I've been in there for an hour. So underwater, in a store, um, anywhere, watching TV, playing on the computer, playing video games, whatever you want to set that for, to time yourself. It's obviously not a timer, so it's not going to go off at 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but you'll know when you look at your watch how long you've been in there for. So that's pretty much it. I mean, that's straight, simple, to the point. It works for all the watches that have um, these bezels. You just set it for you set it for the minute time, and then you know how long it's been going. So quick, under 4 minutes, tell you how to use a dive watch bezel. If you guys have any other questions about anything, put them down in the comments. Let me know. I'll do some reviews, some how-tos. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe. Help this channel get going. And I will have more watch review videos coming up soon. And I will also have some watches. I'm going to do a watch on how to resize the band on a watch. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, like these videos, thumbs up and subscribe. Ring the bell for the notifications. And I'll get back to you with some more videos. So, Dave the Watchman, I'm out. See you next time on the next video.